Your best friend made $500,000 from AI. Your coworker became a millionaire, and you invested nothing. Every day, another AI success story appears. Another person quits their job. Another investor celebrates huge profits. Meanwhile, you're still watching from the sidelines. At first, you tell yourself AI is just another trend. So you wait. Tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next month. While you're waiting, AI changes the world. Companies grow. New tools appear. Investors get richer. The headlines are everywhere. AI creates new millionaires. The biggest technology revolution in decades. Your friends talk about AI. Your coworkers talk about AI. Even beginners are making money. For the first time, you feel something uncomfortable. Not fear of losing money. Fear of being left behind. You start researching, reading articles, watching videos, studying companies. One question keeps repeating in your mind. What if this is real? What if this changes everything? One evening, you finally stop waiting. You stop overthinking, and you invest. No fireworks. No dramatic celebration. Just a click. At first, nothing happens. Then the market moves. Your confidence grows. Not because you're rich, but because you're finally taking action. That's when you realize something important. The biggest opportunities never look obvious in the beginning. Most people only recognize them after they've already happened. Years later, you look back and understand the truth. The biggest risk was never losing money. The biggest risk was never starting. Maybe the next opportunity is already in front of you. Will you recognize it? Tell us what you would do in the comments, and follow What If Wealth for more wealth stories and investing journeys.